Hello friend, welcome to my another video. I will talk about importance of learning English. English in an international language. In the present world, the importance of learning English is beyond description. We need to learn English for our higher education because most of books of science, technology and general knowledge with latest information are written in English. Unless we know English, we cannot go deep into the source of knowledge and cannot enrich our own country. Without language English, we cannot have access to the up to date privilege of science like computer, internet and so on, because more than 80% of all the information in the world, computer and internet, is in English. Thirdly, job and scholarship advertisement nowadays often asks for a good working knowledge of English. So, English help to get a good job and foreign scholarship. About 350 million people speak English as first language, and another 300 million yes 300 million use it is a second language. Is English is the official and semi-official language in more than 60 countries and many international organizations. So, to maintain daily official correspondence, English in essential. Moreover, English help us communicate with foreign goods, delegates, donors act to converse them about our document and to help them to know more to know more about us. We should learn English to join the advert and develop all to enhance our position. Wait, I'll say again. Okay, done. English in an international language. In the present world, the importance of learning English is beyond description. We need to learn English for our higher education because most of book of science, technology and general knowledge with latest information are written in English. English. Unless we know English, we cannot go deep into the source of knowledge and cannot enrich our own country. Without learning English, we can have access to the up-to-date privilege of science like computer. Mm, uh, Internet and so on. Because more than 80 yes 80% of all the information in the old computer and internet is in English. Thirdly, job and scholarship advertisement nowadays often asks for good working knowledge of English. So English help to get good job and foreign scholarship. About 350 million people speak English as first language, and another 30 million, another 300 million use it as second language. English is the official and semi-official language in more than 60 countries and of many international origination. So, to maintain daily official correspondence English in centers. Moreover, English help us communicate with foreign guests. Delegates, donors act to convince them about our requirement and to help them know more about us. English very important, very important, because about 350 million people speak English as first language and another 300 million use it as a second language. The is the official and semi-official language in more than 60 countries and of many international origination. So, to maintain daily official correspondence English in essential. Moreover, English help us communicate with foreign guests. Delegates do not act to convince them about requirement and to help them know more about us. We should learn English to join advert and develop all to enrich our position. Yes, very important English. Thank you.